Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Can we talk real quick about the kitty cat that is not my kitty cat? I'm pretty sure my kitty cat is kind of like my phone that listens. Let me tell you why. So my husband said, and I'm gonna have to agree with the man on this, that a kitty sugar dumplings, the kitty cat that's not my kitty cat, but it's the neighborhood cat that apparently is friends with everybody. I want to make her our cat, okay? So I made not one, but 2 vet appointments. I have since had to cancel those vet appointments. Why, you ask? Let me just tell you. Because she must have overheard me talking to the vet and making the appointment. And she went MIA for like a day and a half. And I called this morning and I canceled said vet appointment, said vet appointment, and I said she's been gone for a day and a half and I don't think we're gonna make the appointment today. And they said, oh, is this for sugar dumplings? They couldn't put in Akuta Kitty sugar dumplings, one, because we don't really know how to spell it, but anywho, I digress. So I did in fact cancel the appointment. And, you know, long story long, I go to set the snacks out for the UPS, FedEx, DHL, anybody and everybody, Instacart, whatever. On the door, put the snacks out. Guess who's sitting there? Just happy as a lark. Like, hey, where you been? I was waiting on you to open the door. I'm like, you are in fact listening to me just like my phone does to give me what ads I'm looking for. Yeah, so I did in fact purchase an AirTag and like a safe lanyard collar doohickey. So next vet appointment that I set, we're actually gonna make it because I will in fact know where she is at. Anyways friends, hello and welcome back to the judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free Zen channel where we are unboxing our winter 2023 Fab Fit Fun box. Now y'all know I was a little shockety-shook when it came to the fall box, fell in love with everything. And the Fab Fit Fun box, oh, it's like a every 3-month kind of box, and I was pretty excited about it, you guys. It's a lifestyle box, and the pics that I've had me like so excited. So before we jump into today's unboxing, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button. This is something new that YouTube has implemented, way that if you don't want to sign up for a monthly membership, you can just go ahead and donate and tip to the channel as you want. And for those of you that are just returning, thank you guys. Those of you sharing my videos over on Facebook, thank you. I appreciate you all. So if you've never heard of Fab Fit Fun, this is like a quarterly box. So they have a dealio where you can sign up using my coupon code where you're billed like every 3 months. You can use code HOTMESS to save yourself 20% off your first box, or you can sign up and pay out like a year and you're gonna save money doing that. And they're also offering a $200 gift if you do that. So use code HOTMESSGIFT, and that if you pay it up front for your year subscription of Fab Fit Fun, it's gonna get you a $200 gift. Yeah, you're welcome. So thank you if you use my code. By the way, it is an affiliate code, so I definitely appreciate it. And thank you to Fab Fit Fun for working with your girl in today's video. You guys know they shocked me with the fall box, and I'm pretty excited over the winter box. Can I just tell you, my pics, like I know it's a lifestyle box, but oh my gosh, the pics had me so excited. You guys know I talked about it in the fall unboxing. So let's go ahead and jump right in because you guys know your girl talks a lot, kind of my jam. But first and foremost, I had to pick out the Susie Cakes little display because my baby child has been doing some cooking, and with it kind of coming up on winter, we're in fall right now, I figured this would be absolutely adorable. And it's a cake stand. However, I mean, if you want to put cookies on it or whatever, you definitely could. But honestly, I fell in love with the color. It's kind of like a, I think a Tiffany blue or mint green, but how cute is that? Isn't that precious? I mean, I love it. I love it. It's a nice durable stand. And you can pop your cake on there or serve however you want. Everyone's doing charcuterie boards. I mean, you could flip this over, put a little dip right here, put your little carrots and broccoli and celery. I don't know, like you trying to be healthy? Here you go. You want to have a good fun time? Put your cake on top. You know what I'm saying? Like, you do you, however you're feeling. But either way, I'm really excited that I picked this because one, it comes apart. It's going to be easy to wash and easy to store. But seriously, you guys know it's like my makeup. I need versatility. You got it. You got it. So anyways, I thought that was absolutely precious. The pics had me really excited. How cute is this? This is one that I know hands down 100% my baby child is going to try and snag from me. I'm always cold. Okay? How cute is that? They're adjustable earmuffs. I'm sure you guys picked up on that, right? Yeah, I think they're precious. I mean, honestly, I feel like I just want to sport them to sport them. I know, my family already thinks I'm a little bit off. It's fine. Like, okay, so one, they're actually comfortable, all right? They don't dig in to up here or over here. It's soft. I have sensory disorder, you guys. I talk about it a lot on my other channel. So I'm really funny with fabrics and textures and everything. So I really like that I'm not feeling like my head is getting pinched. And I feel like I have a pretty decent sized head. So anyways, these are super nice, super cute, super floofy, fluffy, and I know my baby child will end up taking them. It looks like for the brand, oh wait, what is this? Oh, I forgot I picked those. Those are fancy. That's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of this subscription, okay? You get fancy stuff in here and you're not paying a fancy prices. So it's the Aerosols earmuffs. Super cute. So next in here, this is what caught my eye, is the Caraway brand. You guys, yeah, they have oven mitts. So can I just tell you right now, we're really bad about using like a hand towel. My husband's caught a couple of those on fire. So when I saw this as a choice, I was like, well, say less. We could definitely benefit from using those. So you've got your nice little, you can hang them, and then it's like Pac-Man. You can like carry your dish and all of that. Bend your hand, Rhonda. I mean, how nice is that? These are nice. I like them. They were definitely needed. And the nice thing about the color is it's one that you're going to be able to use all year round. Because I know some people are fancy and, you know, maybe change their towels out and everything. And I feel like it's a nice neutral color. But these are really nice. I really want to try their cookware. Just saying. And it does come with a 15% off coupon. So that's going to work out nice when Christmas time rolls around. Okay, so like I said, this is a lifestyle box. So, and I feel like you also get like beauty picks as well. So I went ahead and I picked out the Way leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff. I think it is a great product. So this is one that I'd already tried. So when I saw that this was one of my choices that I could pick, I was like, heck freaking yeah. I mean, already, you guys, I kid you not, you're already making your money back off of this box. And you guys know, for me, when it comes to a subscription, that's what I want. I want to make sure, one, I'm going to use the products. Two, I'm making my money back from the products that I am choosing, and you're definitely doing that with Fab Fit Fun. So here's my next one, and I want to say this typically runs you close to 30 bucks. And then I also picked out the slip hair ties. These are silk hair ties, y'all, and that's all I use in my hair. Like when I'm working out, what have you, I always use a silk hair tie because my hair, I don't need to break it. I done been through a hair journey like something fierce. So I picked out these, and I went with the smaller hair ties because I thought that they would be, and I know because I have them, they're better at my, like, keeping my low ponytails, and I like to use them when I'm doing my buns. So I'll make a ponytail with the smaller ones, and then the thicker ones, I'll make my bun and right in there. So plus, nice thing with Fab Fit Fun, with all the things you're picking out, you can make wonderful gifts for this. Like, how cute would this be, like, for your hairdresser or for your teacher, you know? I'm stingy, I'm keeping this, but I'm just saying, if you're in the giving spirit, that you could do that. I'm hungry and it's lunchtime, so I'm giving nothing. Last in here, I picked out, and this is so freaking perfect because I'm wearing Free People right now. It is my new, one of my new favorite brands that I'm really loving. You guys actually recommended me do a Free People haul on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlog, so I did. One of the choices was a Free People throw, and it matches me. I did not plan this outfit, you guys. How cute is this? So you could put it on your couch, you could wear it, throw it on your bed, but it's a nice size throw. I mean, how cute am I gonna look? Wow, that sounded really conceited, but it's fine. How cute are you gonna look when you pick the Free People throw out? You can wrap yourself up over by the fireplace, fire pit, so luxurious. And you guys, it's actually, like, when I was making my picks, I wanted to make sure I was getting the good bang for my buck, and I went over to Free People to make sure it was available over there. Guess what? It is in fact over there, and it is in fact expensive. So just go ahead and pick it out in your Fab Fit Fun box. You don't have to worry about paying that price because you're getting a heck of a good deal. This is really nice. I'm not going to want to share this either with my kids. I should probably go eat. That is everything in our Fab Fit Fun box. And you can't tell me, like, this is a really good lifestyle box. So if you guys are looking for nice bougie products at a heck of a good deal, definitely make sure to check out the Fab Fit Fun. I mean, like I told you guys, you can use code HOTMESS and get yourself 20% off your first Fab Fit Fun box. Or you can go ahead and get the yearly upfront and a $200 gift with code HOTMESSGIFT. So I will have everything linked down below for you guys with the coupon codes and everything. I am so excited over Fab Fit Fun. I feel like they've really come in and made the changes that we were all wanting. And I'm really happy with the brands that I've been seeing in my Fab Fit Fun boxes. Let me know down below if you are picking up Fab Fit Fun. If you're already a customer of Fab Fit Fun, let me know down below. But either way, I got a coupon code for you guys. You want seasonal? Code HOTMESS. You want annually? HOTMESS gift. Get yourself that $200 gift. And you get up to $350 worth of goodies just in your winter box. Yeah, I'm down for that. Anyways, friends, all information will be down in the description box below. Thank you to Fab Fit Fun for working with your girl in today's video, letting me unbox this cozy wintertime box. I'm definitely excited. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, Hotmess in the Kitchen. Of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HotmessMomma4. And until next time, friends, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! I'm gonna go have lunch now. Yeah, okay, bye guys.